When it comes to versatile kitchen tools, having the right saucepan can make all the difference. This Tri-Ply Whole-Clad stainless steel saucepan with steamer is a high-quality, multifunctional piece of cookware that is perfect for those who want to make the most out of their cooking experience. Whether you're boiling pasta, steaming vegetables, or simmering sauces, this saucepan has you covered. With a unique combination of Tri-Ply construction, a strainer glass lid, and a stay-cool handle, it combines convenience, durability, and style. If you've been on the hunt for a small, multi-purpose saucepan that is not only functional but also energy efficient and easy to clean, look no further. Let's dive into why this 2.5-quart saucepan is a kitchen essential that you won't want to miss. Key features of the Tri-Ply Whole-Clad stainless steel saucepan with steamer. Number 1. Premium Tri-Ply construction for durability and even heating. The Tri-Ply Whole-Clad stainless steel saucepan is made using a 3-layer design that combines 1810 food-grade stainless steel, aluminum, and 430 stainless steel. This construction ensures even heat distribution and quick cooking times, while maintaining the strength and durability of the pot. 1810 stainless steel. The inner layer provides a non-reactive, safe cooking surface, ensuring your food tastes pure. Aluminum core. The middle layer ensures fast, even heat distribution for optimal cooking results. 430 stainless steel exterior. This outer layer is perfect for use on all stovetops, including induction, and is built to last. Number 2. Multi-purpose design with pour spout and strainer glass lid. The thoughtful design of this saucepan makes it ideal for various cooking techniques, from steaming to straining to sautéing. The pour spout and strainer glass lid make it easy to drain liquids without using a separate strainer, saving you both time and effort. Strainer glass lid features holes on both sides, allowing you to drain pasta, noodles, vegetables, and more with ease. Pour spout for convenient pouring and draining without making a mess. Measurement marks inside. These handy marks let you easily track the amount of liquid in the pot for precise cooking. This combination makes the pot perfect for those who want a streamlined cooking process without needing extra utensils or tools. Number 3. Steaming made easy. If you love steamed vegetables, this saucepan has a steamer basket that makes steaming veggies like corn, broccoli, or asparagus effortless. Whether you're preparing a side dish or cooking healthy meals, this saucepan makes it simple to steam your favorites. Number 4. Energy-efficient heating system. One of the standout features of this Tri-Ply stainless steel saucepan is its energy-efficient heating system. Thanks to the aluminum core that evenly distributes heat across the entire pan, you can cook your food faster, saving both time and energy. Whether you're boiling water, simmering sauce, or cooking grains, this saucepan helps you get meals on the table quicker. Number 5. Stay cool ergonomic handle. The ergonomic silicone handle is designed to stay cool while cooking, making it safe and comfortable to grip. Whether you're stirring a sauce or lifting the saucepan to drain your food, you'll appreciate the ease with which you can handle the pot without worrying about burns. Number 6. Oven safe and dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. When it comes to maintaining your cookware, convenience is key. This Tri-Ply Whole-Clad stainless steel saucepan is oven safe up to 500 degrees without the lid and 350 degrees Fahrenheit with the lid, so you can use it for baking or finishing dishes in the oven. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning up after a meal a breeze. Number 7. Perfect size for everyday use. With a 2.5-quart capacity, this saucepan is just the right size for cooking smaller portions. Whether you're making soup, boiling pasta for one, or preparing a side dish, this pot is perfect for daily cooking tasks. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's the perfect middle ground for most cooking needs. Why choose the Tri-Ply Whole-Clad stainless steel saucepan with steamer? If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and versatile saucepan that can tackle a variety of cooking tasks, the Tri-Ply Whole-Clad stainless steel saucepan with steamer is an excellent choice. Whether you're boiling pasta, steaming veggies, or preparing your favorite sauces, this pot delivers superior performance with every use. With its multifunctionality, energy-efficient heating, ergonomic handles, and oven and dishwasher-safe design, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. The premium Tri-Ply construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the strainer glass lid and pour spout make it incredibly easy to use. Plus, the steamer basket opens up even more cooking possibilities. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.